Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can copy TikTok username. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Play Store and download TikTok and open your account. Then you need to click on open. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to click on profile in the right bottom corner. And the first method is to hold on to your TikTok username for a few seconds. Then you can see the username copied and you can share it anywhere. So I am going to share it on WhatsApp like this. And the other method is edit profile. Click on and here you can see your username. You simply need to copy that username like this, copy, and you can share that anywhere on social media. So this is a process by which you can copy TikTok username. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.